So here's our prize for the day. I forget if I already captured this one, but we'll see if it still works. This one worked last time I was here within the last couple of months. Indeed, it's got dial tone. Yikes, that's what happens when I try to use one of the shortcuts. I guess you could hear that. And it doesn't sound like that screaming sound is going away. Nope. So that just goes to prove that having dial tone doesn't mean the phone works. Yeah, it's still doing it. Oh well, the dial tone was promising, but this phone seems to be a dud.